Welcome to RPG Maker News. I'm your host, Salik. And in today's news, we have an animation pack of smoke effects by Pimin, an enemy battler of a lizard knight, and a lizard lord by Ujie Masala, a pack of 20 animated enemy battlers by Holder, Spikerman, an action RPG featuring a linear motion battle system about an eager teenager who wants to become a great and unstoppable warrior. A pack of 100 pixel steampunk icons by Thomas Feitma. An icon pack of keyboard and gamepad input prompts by Kenny. And an icon pack of cafe drinks and Parfait by Ake. A pack of retro-style music and sound effects by MML Hackathon and Gotcha Gotcha Games. An MV plugin by Storm Tiger and Xavier that allows us to select multiple targets and divide damage between them. An MZ plugin by Gemini that allows us to write and run script inside any window, including show text command. An MZ plugin by Toriakontan that allows us to hide an image of a tileset in the game so it appears only in the editor and can be used to create markers to help development. An MZ plugin by Open Digital World that allows us to dynamically change message font with a plugin command. An MZ plugin by Shigerin that allows displaying a log of previous messages. A tool for RPG Maker MV and MZ by Satoya Ganji that shows a control character help window with keyboard and mouse shortcuts. Wrath of the Volcano tileset pack by Coco Reflections. And a tileset pack of urban modern interiors by Coco Reflections and Komodo. And lastly, an article tutorial by Every on creating our own roof variations. And that is all for today. Go back to game making now.